Is it better to schedule HVAC maintenance during the off-season? Yes, scheduling heating, ventilation, and air conditioning maintenance during the off-season is usually better because technicians have more availability, problems can be found early, and you can avoid emergency repairs during extreme weather. During the spring, it is smart to check the air conditioner before hot weather arrives, and during the fall, it is smart to check the heating system before cold weather begins. A technician can clean important parts, inspect electrical connections, check refrigerant levels, test safety controls, and replace or clean filters. These steps help the system work more efficiently, which may lower energy use and reduce stress on the equipment. Maintenance can also reveal small problems such as a weak capacitor or a worn belt before they cause a complete breakdown. One useful fact is that many heating and cooling failures happen when equipment is working hardest, because that is when hidden weaknesses are put under the most pressure. Off-season appointments may also be easier to schedule, and some companies offer discounts when demand is lower. To make the visit more useful, write down unusual sounds, smells, uneven temperatures, or rising energy bills and tell the technician. You should also ask for a written report explaining what was inspected and which repairs are urgent, optional, or safe to postpone. A common mistake is waiting until the first very hot or very cold day, when repair companies may already be busy, so schedule service several weeks before that season begins. Another mistake is treating a maintenance visit as a guarantee that nothing will fail, because normal wear can still cause unexpected problems. Ask which parts are aging and plan ahead. Some homeowners also skip filter changes, even though a clogged filter can restrict airflow and make the system work harder. So check the filter every month and replace it as needed. Finally, be cautious of a technician who recommends expensive replacements without showing test results, measurements, or clear evidence of damage. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.